This video covers the 10 essential digital marketing tools that help businesses build relationships, convert sales, and grow. We'll explore how these tools function within a single, integrated ecosystem. Imagine a campaign with 10 million views. It sounds successful, but if the CEO asks about new customer acquisition, cost, repeat purchases, or actual profit, and no one knows the answer, that's a problem. Measuring attention is easy, but measuring value is the real challenge. This silence proves that views are not sales and revenue is not profit. Marketing's real function is to bridge that gap by building a measurable chain from initial attention all the way to long-term profit. By the end of this video, you will be able to distinguish between paid, earned, and owned media. Understand how the 10 core tools work, compare search versus discovery commerce, and judge tools using genuine business KPIs. Every tool must serve this chain, creating demand, capturing it, converting it, and retaining the customer. We measure everything from the content message to the final lifetime value of the relationship. Before looking at the tools, let's categorize them. Paid media buys scale. Earned media builds trust through others, and owned media provides control and direct customer relationships. Let's examine these 10 tools one by one. Each has a specific job in the journey and a set of KPIs that prove whether it's actually working for the business. First, your website and landing pages are where a click becomes a customer. If your traffic grows but conversions don't, the issue is often on the page itself, not the ad. Next is SEO, which captures demand that already exists. Whether informational or transactional, the goal is to be found when a customer is already looking for a solution. Paid search is fast and high intent, but it's easy to overspend. A high return on ad spend can sometimes hide a negative unit economic, so you must carefully track your cost per acquisition. Content marketing is how you earn the right to sell. Instead of just pushing products, you create content that solves problems, guiding customers through the funnel from education to purchase. Social commerce creates demand that wouldn't otherwise exist. By shortening the journey directly within platforms, you can turn viewers into customers instantly, though it can also increase dependence on those platforms. Distinguishing between search and discovery commerce is vital. Search serves existing intent, while discovery creates it. Neither is better. The right choice depends entirely on your product and audience. When working with creators and affiliates, remember you are borrowing trust. Don't just look at follower counts. Judge them by their actual contribution to orders and their impact on your profit margins. Finally, your CRM and email automation serve as the retention engine. While paid media finds new customers, these tools maximize the value you extract from those you already have. Display and programmatic advertising allow you to re-engage visitors who have already interacted with your brand. However, be cautious of advertising fatigue. Always monitor incremental conversions to ensure you aren't paying for customers who would have returned on their own. Retail media and marketplace ads place your brand directly at the point of sale. While these platforms provide powerful intent signals, remember the strategic trade-off. Over-reliance on a single marketplace can increase your dependence on their ecosystem and algorithms. Conversational commerce, using messaging and chatbots, bridges the gap between service and sales. By providing quick, personalized answers, you build trust and drive conversions. Monitor your opt-out rate closely. It's the most honest indicator of whether you're being helpful or intrusive. Now let's look at how to make these 10 tools function as one cohesive system. Success relies on proper sequencing, understanding the underlying marketing economics, and integrating AI as a cross-ecosystem capability. Think of your marketing as a 5-stage journey: creating demand, capturing it, converting it, re-engaging, and finally, retaining the customer. Your strategy should focus on the handoffs between these stages, ensuring every tool has a clear, singular purpose. When selecting your tools, always start with the business objective, not the channel. Use a selection matrix to align your goals with the right tool, ensuring you are driving the specific outcomes that matter to your bottom line. Be careful not to rely solely on return on ad spend. ROAS is not profit, and attributed revenue is not the same as incremental revenue. Two campaigns with identical spend can have vastly different impacts on your business health and long-term customer value. AI isn't just an 11th tool, it's a capability that enhances all others. It can optimize search bids, segment CRM data, and triage customer messages. Remember the governance rule. AI proposes, but a human must always verify, challenge, and decide. To summarize, digital marketing is an interconnected ecosystem. Focus on the full journey, from initial spend to long-term customer lifetime value. Don't let metrics like follower counts or raw ROAS distract you from the actual business contribution. There is no single best tool. The right approach is the one that moves the correct customer through the journey at a cost the business can sustain. Always challenge your assumptions about which combinations are truly effective. As you move forward, keep questioning your systems. When everything seems to be performing perfectly, ask yourself if your success is truly sustainable, or if you've crossed the line into manipulation. Real marketing requires both performance and integrity.